The Hobie MirageDrive comes with these standard fins, and you can upgrade them to the ST Turbofins. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. All you do is remove the split ring and clevis pin, slide the blade off, unscrew the shaft, put the longer shaft in using a little bit of Loctite to keep it locked in, slip the new blade on, replace the clevis pin and split ring, and you're done. I'm now going to apply a little bit of Loctite to the threaded end of this shaft and then put it right into the sprocket right here. This is how our current MirageDrives operate. In older MirageDrives, you'll use a set screw and insert this side in and tighten up the set screw. Hobie makes 3 different types of fins for their MirageDrive. Starting off with the standard fin, then you go to the ST fin, and then the ST Turbo fins. Personally, I prefer the ST Turbo fins because they provide the most speed and torque. The ST fins have a similar draft to the standard fins, but they're a little faster and also provide a little more torque.